Hey guys, so today we're going to be going from this old 30-year-old blow valves to this HKS Super Sequential kit that came from Japan, and let's unbox it. To this. It's a nice little kit by HKS, and let's put it on. And here we go, guys. It's out. Honestly, it was not difficult at all, but this is another 30-year-old part removed. Lasts pretty well. Hey guys, so we got the HKS sequential blow-off valve installed. Honestly, it wasn't hard at all. It took about maybe an hour, if that. Just time consuming more than anything. And that's what it looks like right here. All one piece. And what's cool about it is that the kit comes with these plugs right here. That way it doesn't have to recirculate through it. And these are the old blow-off valve lines, I guess. And it comes with a little plug-in on this side right here. It's kind of hard to see, but that way you can just block it off. And I still have to go to the store, hardware store or auto parts store, whatever you want to call it, and get a clamp or two. That way I can finish putting a PCV valve and a line onto it. But for the most part, it's pretty done. So it looks like so. After these turbos get installed, once all the hardware gets here, we'll find out and see how she sounds.